What's up everyone, welcome to Roy the Explorer. This is Anirban. As you have already seen, as per the description and the thumbnail, this video is all about the rewind of 2018 and the plans of 2019. So wish you guys a happy new year. I know it's late. If you're new to this channel, then hit the red color subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. And if you want to know what's my plan, what surprises are coming towards my subscribers, then watch this video till the end. You will get all the details. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So 2018, the journey started. The first trip was towards Bangalore to Mangalore, and it was with my family. So my parents were there, Ananya was there, my brother came from US, he was there. So the trip was really memorable trip. We spent 3 days in Mangalore, Udupi. It was a very interesting, I won't say interesting, it was very fun trip where we did lots of water sports, adventure, boat ride, all those things we have done there. And that was the first trip of the year. I always travel with my family, with my parents every year. I try to give them some time as because they obviously need some of my time. I know I was not able to give much time to them because of my work and because of this YouTube thing, because I have to travel a lot. But whenever I get time, I try to give them some quality time. So for that reason, every year I try to visit some place during that new year time. And because of my brother, this particular vlog was very interesting. He jumped from so many places. If you've not yet seen the video, you can watch that video. It's available in my YouTube, and if you are planning for Mangalore or Udupi, it will helpful for you as well. So that was the first video of 2018. From there, we 2018 February, we visited one more place, which is Goa. So Goa, it's like it was a dream for me, and I never visited Goa. Yeah, you have got it correctly that I have never visited Goa earlier, because in my mind I have something like I will visit Goa with my friends and family in my car, just like the Amir Khan and Saif Ali Khan did in that video. But due to some reason, due to some circumstances, due to some time issue, I was not able to visit Goa. But this time I have done that also. That was there in my bucket list. So I have visited Goa, and I try to make the video as cinematic as I can, and it was very memorable trip. Me, Ananya, Chade, Ashish, all of us enjoyed in Goa. That's pretty much of Goa, and I learned many things over there, like how to travel. That's very important. So that's the end of story of Goa. So after that, we as you know that I am a rider as well. I do ride a Royal Enfield Himalayan, and we visited Yelgiri Hills with Triple S Motors. They have a group, so we visited Yelgiri Hills, and I met with a couple of crazy bunch of people over there. We made friends. We are friends actually, Puneet is there, and Manjunath sir was there. So DJ sir was there, and he was sharing his like travel gyan and all those things, because he visited many places with his bike. So that is pretty much the story of Yelgiri Hills. And after Yelgiri Hills, we headed towards one more place, which is called Thimapana Betta. So previously you have seen the drone shots. So those drone shots was taken in the Jais Park, which was my friend's drone. But this drone shot you are seeing, you are watching now, it's from my Mavic Air. So I bought my new drone in 2018. That is my first drone, and I flew that drone in Thimapana Betta, which is in near Ramnagar. Very beautiful place. So I flew the drone. I tried to experiment little bit, but I was little skeptical because the first time I was flying my own drone. So yeah, so that is the pretty much of that particular video we have done. And then I met some crazy people from Warrior Motorcycle Club, and I wanted to do a off-road trail kind of thing. I never done off-roading, so first time I wanted to do some off-roading things. And I met Sandeep Bhai from Warrior Motorcycle Club, and it was their anniversary ride. They asked me, you want to join with us? Why don't you join with us? So I said, okay, fine, let's do it. So I was new to off-roading, and I fall also. You can see in the video I fall. But it doesn't stop me. It didn't stop me there. So I flew the drone over there, and this video is very special for me because in this video I explore my drone a lot, because in Thimapana Betta I was a little bit scared to fly the drone, but here I can see the sky, though kites were there, but still I flew the drone freely, and I experiment a few things with my Mavic Air, and that's pretty much of that particular like video, you can say. So we enjoyed a lot, though there was a bike crash on that video, but nothing happened, nothing serious happened. It was the issue with the bike, so it crashed. It happened, it's machine. So after that again I rectified my bike, and we started, and we came back to Bangalore. So that was pretty much of this particular ride, and met a couple of very good friends. And after this video my friends were complaining that you are riding with others, you are not riding with us. So I said, okay, why not, we will ride together. So I called them, and we headed towards Kailashgiri. So I called Yash, I called Suresh, and they all came, and we headed towards Kailashgiri Hills in the morning of a Sunday. And it was a very fun ride. And this time also I flew the drone, and I as you people know that you guys like my drone videos, because most of my friends and my followers are telling that yeah, we like your drone shots. So I try to do as much as I can with the drones. Obviously I always take permission before flying the drone, and how I do the drone, how I took the permission and all, I'll make a separate video. I'll show you guys that how I took the permission and all those things. After this I have done a 1400 kilometers ride in 3 days, which was Bangalore to Rameshwaram, and I explore Rameshwaram a little bit in that particular vlog. And it was a hectic ride, trust me, because we thought it was like only 600-700 kilometers, but the wind blast was horrible that time, and somehow we survived. And as usual, drone shots. So people knew that I will fly the drone, so I flew the drone in Rameshwaram as well, and it came nice as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you not yet saw those shots, you can watch those shots in my video. You can check out in my channel, all those videos are there. After the Rameshwaram ride, I visited Ladakh, which was in my bucket list, and I planned it for almost 1.5 years. Like I planned to visit Ladakh in 2017, but due to some issues I couldn't do that at that point of time, so it postponed it to 2018. And this year I don't want to change my plan, so I visited Ladakh, and trust me, the trip was amazing. It's an unforgettable trip. I have done whitewater river rafting, as you see. I have done the camel ride. I have done lots of adventure activities in Ladakh, and I met some crazy bunch of people there. I learned a lot about their culture, and they are so sweet. I can't explain that. They are very helpful. I never seen that kind of helpful nature in any of the other places I have visited. Nothing wrong with the other guys, but those guys are very sweet. Yeah, I trust me. I have met many new people during my Ladakh trip, and they become my friends, my subscriber, my buddies. Many of them has invited me to visit their places, so definitely in 2019 I'll visit those places. So you will see more travel videos will come in 2019. And if you've not yet seen my Ladakh series, there were like 5 videos, so I'll give those videos as a playlist at the end screen, so you will able to watch those videos if you've not yet seen those Ladakh videos. And definitely in 2019 I'll fly more drones, so that's for sure. And if you're not following me in Instagram, then do follow me in Instagram. If you have any questions related photography or traveling, then do ask me direct questions in Instagram, direct messages. I always reply. Who already follow me, they knew it that I always reply. Maybe it would be delay 1 or 2 days, but definitely you will get a reply from me. So I have a question for you. What kind of videos you want to see in my channel? It's a big question, so think about it and comment below. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see in my channel in 2019. Then I'll tell you what kind of videos I'm planning to make. So enough of 2018. Now what's the plan for 2019? So there is a big plan for 2019. In 2018 I have done lots of travel videos and review videos about drones, bikes and all those things, and I have made a tutorial video also for photography. But now in 2019 I will do many tutorials for you guys, because lots of people are asking me in Instagram that how you take this photo, how you did this, how you did that. So I'm going to make those videos and travel videos. And many people are asking, everybody is giving giveaway, why you are not giving it? So there are some cool giveaways are coming on your way, so stay tuned. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the red color subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so you'll get the notification about all those videos and the giveaways. So stay tuned and see you guys. This time it won't be delayed, it will come soon. See you.